Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to revise the chapter Active and Passive Voice. So let's start from point number 195. There are two examples given. Rama helps Hari, and number 2 is Hari is helped by Rama. You have to compare between the two sentences. The verb over here is help for the first sentence, and for the second sentence the verb is helped. So it is well understood that for active voice the verb remains the same, but in the passive voice the verb also changes to its ed form. Helps becomes helped. Now what happened? What is active voice and what is passive voice? Let's see it first. So a verb is in the active voice when its form shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something, or in other words is the doer of the action. So in the first sentence, as we can see that Ram helps Hari, that means Ram is directly doing the work. So when the subject of the verb directly does something, subject of the sentence does the work directly or is the doer of the sentence, it is said that the sentence is in the active voice. Next page. What is passive voice? Let's see. A verb is in its passive voice when its form shows that something is done to person or thing denoted by the subject. The passive voice is so called because the person or thing denoted by the subject is not active but passive, that is, suffers or receives the action. So it is just the opposite of the active voice. In active voice, the subject does the work directly, but in passive voice the subject is made done the work. He is being made done the work. So this is the difference between active voice and passive voice. Let's discuss some of the examples. Sita loves Savitri, and in passive voice the same sentence becomes Savitri is loved by Sita. You can see loves, the simple form of verb becomes ed form in the passive voice. Number 2, the mason is building the wall. The wall is being built by the mason. So the mason is building the wall, mason is directly doing the work, whereas in the passive voice the wall is being built by the mason. The mason is being done some work. He is assigned some work to do. Number 3, the peon opened the gate. The gate was opened by the peon. So here we can see that in the first sentence the peon directly does the work, he opens the gate, but the gate was opened by the peon. He is being made done the work. He is made done the work. Next, some boys were helping the wounded man. It becomes the wounded man was being helped by some boys. Next, he will finish the work in a fortnight. The work will be finished by him in a fortnight. So this is the difference between active voice and passive voice. Suppose it's a question. The question is, who did this? Now same thing, the question cannot change to a statement or an answer. Question should be question in both the cases. Now how is active voice question changed to passive voice question? Let's see. By whom was this done? Did becomes done in the passive voice, but the question remains same. Why did your brother write such a letter? Why was such a letter written by your brother? Write becomes written. So this is the difference between active voice and passive voice. So there is also a box given over here which we have already discussed before also. You're going to read the chapter very nicely, go through the examples which we have done in our classes before. Those are enough. Other than that, practice all the questions from the book. I will be giving you one more exercise which you are going to do as your homework in your grammar copies. And after that, if anybody of you have any problem, you can give me a call or WhatsApp me with your doubts. Thank you so much, children. Have a good day.